how to register on AliExpress. So if you want to register to AliExpress, then open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. So I'll be choosing Chrome browser. Once you've chosen your browser, you need to simply go for the search and search for AliExpress. Once you've searched here, you will have aliexpress.com. Go for the first search. Once you're here, you need to go for the upper side, which has sign in or register, or you can simply go for the bottom left, which has the sign in or register. Click on register, enter the email address. Once you enter your email, click on continue, and here to register to AliExpress, you need to enter the password or create a password. So the password must be at least 6 to 20 characters. It should contain numbers, letters, or symbols. Or you can also continue to register with your Facebook, Google, Twitter, or any of these applications. So enter the password and click on register, and your account will be created. And here you need to slide to continue. And here you need to enter the code which you have received to the email address. So enter the code and click on verify email, and that's it. Your account has been created. So that's how you can create your account on AliExpress. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.